Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy effects on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have these two clips right here. So in this clip, I have my blur effect on and I would like to paste this into this clip right here. So I'm going to show you on how you can copy the clip or the effects on the clip right here. I'm sorry. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to select our clip that we want to copy the effects from and hit Control C, or you can just go into edit right here and click on copy, and then after that you want to go select your clip that you want to paste the effects on. So you want to right click on that clip and paste attributes, and then from here you want to uncheck everything but your effects that you want to paste on this clip right here. So in my case, it will be only the blur or the effects right here, and I want to hit OK. And after that, you can see that the effect has now been pasted or transferred in this clip, and that is basically how you can copy effects and paste it on your clips right here on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.